What's up, my white tea homies? It's your girl Alethea coming back with another video, and this video is going to be kind of quick because your girl has to get out of here. I'm not running behind this morning. I'm on time, but y'all know how it goes. Y'all check this out. My hair has been twisted for the last, since Friday. Today is Monday. I stayed in the house all weekend, so my hair was twisted all weekend, and I just still feel like it should have been a little twistier, if that makes sense. Does it? I don't know. Anyway, I am finally coming in to do what? To take out the trash before the new year comes in. So I have, oh, what is this on my pants? I don't know. I've done a couple of empties this year, but I have not done one in a while. So, and if y'all hear how I sound, my sinuses are acting up. My wife keeps putting that fan on me, messing me up, got me sounding like a whole dude out here in these streets. And oh Lord, she's just trying to, I don't know what she's trying to do to me. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with these empties. Patrice, why are you outside this door? Please tell me why you outside this door. Oh, I thought you was outside being nosy. Oh, look, I need you to vacuum in here for me today. Okay. So we are going to start off with something that I used for my hair. Well, not my hair, but my wigs. And that is the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Constructor Creation Mousse. Now, I do like this mousse. I do like this mousse because it doesn't make the curls real hard. But my problem with this mousse is the way it comes out of the container. I do not like the way it comes out of the container, so I will not be purchasing this again. I did purchase some Suave mousse, and while I like that Suave mousse, it's a little too crunchy, so I gotta find like a happy medium. But this I will not be buying simply because of the way it comes out of the container. This one right here I have finally emptied, and this is the Capari Coconut Cleansing Oil to get the, you know, to get makeup off of your face. And this stuff right here is like super duper good. And when Sephora was having their 20% off sale, I did not see it on their website, so I don't know, maybe they discontinued it on there or something. I did see some other things from Capari, so I was quite surprised I didn't see this. So I'm gonna check again while this other 20% sale is on to see if I can find some, because I really do like it. I used this Coconut Palm 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream from Bath & Body Works. I do not care for Bath & Body Works regular lotions, but these body creams, baby, these have you feeling like so, your skin's so moisturized, feels so good. So I mean, I don't know if I would purchase this particular scent again. I had no problem with it, but usually I just, at the time, whatever's on sale, whatever I like, I just go ahead and purchase. And girl, oops, see, there's a last little bit in there. Now I got too much on my hands. What's wrong with me? The next two things are actually from Morphe. And the first one is my regular Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is Bae. Morphe has a sale going on right now. I just purchased another can. And Ulta, when I went and bought my stuff that I used, when I used up my rewards, my reward dollars from Ulta, I purchased another one. And then this right here is that mattifying continuous setting spray that I purchased. Girl, this is a full bottle. I used this like 2-3 times. This is horrible. This stuff right here is horrible. So yeah, no, I won't be using that. All right, so these next two things are I'm just getting stuff on my pants. Are two Fenty Pro Filter Foundation. Now this one is in the color 360. I used this up. There's nothing else in here. However, this one right here, that's in the color 340. I did not use this up. Let me show you. I don't want to mess around. It may just act a fool since I'm online, but this right here, it does not come out. I don't know what happened to this. And because it's a glass bottle, you can't find an alternate route to get into it. So this is trash. Y'all already know this was Bae. Now I have a new Bae, but this was Bae for my face. These Glam Glow facial cleansers, they're gone. So I mean, I don't know if I'll go back to purchase. I have a little bit left in one container in the bathroom that it's like about that much in there, and I'm not going to throw it away because I will use it because it's good facial soap. Next, I have this Fenty Skin, and this is the what is it called? I just know it's the moisturizer. And this is a reusable container. You're supposed to reuse it to put another one in if you're going to purchase another one. So you could just buy the refill. However, I will not be repurchasing this. I cannot use this on my face because it's a little bit too thick because I have oily combination skin. And when I put this on and then put my makeup on, it kind of makes me look like a grease ball. So I actually use this for my body, but I will not be purchasing it again. So that's for, I'm not going to keep the container. Another Morphe Continuous Setting Spray container. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is ridiculous. 4 Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencils. Y'all know this is Bay. And the next items right here, let me get them all out of here. These are all items from Too Faced. And these are 3 concealers and 1 foundation. And these, I didn't use them all up. A couple of them, well, this one I think I used up. Yeah, this one I used up. These 2 are not used up, but they are like, no, they are used up. Girl, why am I saying I didn't use it? These are used up. There is a little bit in them. I might have had like 2 or 3 more uses, but they have outran their shelf life. So let me put it that way. So the rest of it that's in the containers, I'm getting rid of it because they've lost their shelf life. And the colors I have are Cookie, Sand, Warm Sand, and the foundation is the matte one in Caramel. Next, I'm throwing this away. I got this from from BoxyCharm when I was a member of BoxyCharm, and it's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. It started to change colors, and this is not the color that this started out, so the shelf life has expired on this, so I had to so that means the shelf life has expired on it because it hasn't been sitting in the sun or anything like that. So, you know, of course I have to get rid of that. And here I am with Bay. This is Bay, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have been missing emails or something from them because I haven't seen a sale and I need some more. And my color that I use pretty much is 47S. But I do have 2 47S's, a 38N, and a 44H. I do use the other ones because the 47S is just the perfect skin tone color. But to highlight, I will put the other colors on to kind of highlight a little bit. And then, y'all know, I don't use it anymore for those purposes, but the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. When I found out this was too dark for me, but it had that peachy type undertone, I used this for color correcting. Now I just use a peach color corrector. And then next I have this MAC concealer, and this is the NC45 Studio Finish, and I need to take it out of this bag and put it in the other bag because this can go back to MAC, but this has expired from its shelf life. I've had stuff for so long, depending on what it is, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it because of the shelf life. Now eyeshadows, I haven't gotten rid of eyeshadows, but concealers and foundations and things like that, after so long, if I haven't used it up, I just have to go ahead and get rid of it. This right here, my velour lash and liner and glue in one. Love it, love it, love it. They were sold out for the Sephora VIB sale, so I need another one though. And y'all know I use this right here, the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper on my brows. I don't think they sell this in the store, but I had some that were for backups that I bought bulk on Amazon when I saw that I didn't see them in the store anymore. And then I have this Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I didn't like that. This is not too good. So yeah, that's done. And then I didn't like this one neither. This is the Tarte mascara. They didn't do too much for my lashes. I don't have like really long lashes, but there is some mascara I can put on that makes me look like I have on falsies. These did nothing for me. And then here is the Huda. This is a 2-sided liner, so like this part is empty. I use the liquid, but I always have plenty of this left, so I am going to take this out of this container and use the other side, the cold side of it. And then I have another one that I'm going to do the same thing as well, because that is perfectly good liner, and I didn't think about it when I put it in here, and then later on I'm like, you could have used the other side. So I said I'll take it out when I do my empties. This right here, this Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I got this in a BoxyCharm box. This lily white stuff right here gave me a whole white cast under my eyes. No. And this right here, this is the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. This crumbled on my face. I don't know why, but it crumbled on my face and I hated it. Why is this in here? I don't know why. I have this in my empties, this BoxyCharm, this Hello Charmers BoxyCharm eyeshadow that I got from BoxyCharm. I don't know why this was in my empties. Maybe because I was meaning to put it somewhere else to give it away. Yeah, because that shouldn't have been in my empties. So let me take this out. And is there anything else I have in here? No, that is it. I don't have anything else in here. So those are all my empties that I have right now. So yeah, I've just taken out the trash. So I'm going to get my wife to dump this out, or I'll dump it out when I get home. So either way, that is it. Those are my empties. So I've gotten some suggestions for some things you guys would like to see on the channel, so I'm going to do my best to bring those to you. But if there's anything else, any suggestions or what have you that you have, girl, go ahead and leave them here. And please don't forget the cruise. Go back to the video where I did my VIB sale haul. Is that the one I told you about the cruise? Yeah. And come on and go cruise with your girl for spring break. So with all that being said, thank you guys so much for coming to check out another video here on my channel. I do hope you have a great day, a great night, whenever you're watching this video. And yeah, so until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Y'all know what? Before I get out of here, I'm gonna need y'all to pray for me. Pray that all this goes away. Pray that I'm okay, because I'm not right now, because I don't like this feeling. I don't like feeling like this. Bye.